Hey, what's up guys, this is Henry Neil. You're welcome to yet another video. This is my unboxing of the Huawei Wi-Fi Lite. It's a very entry-level device from Huawei, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this device and a quick review of this device. I'll also be giving this device away, so stay tuned to the end of this video to learn how you can enter to win the Huawei Wi-Fi Lite. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so you're notified when I put up new videos. Let's get started. So the box is basic. It's like every other box Huawei has made for every other product they have. The Y7 Prime 2019, the Y9, and also the Huawei Nova 3i. So it follows the same design language. Alright, so let's take a look at the packages in the box here. I'm just going to quickly take this off. Alright, straight on top we have the Wi-Fi Lite, and it's not a notched phone, just to let you know. And on the screen here you have it's 5.45 HD plus display. That means it's a 720p display. You have a 3020 mAh battery, 16 gigabytes of ROM, 1 gigabyte of RAM, and you also have an 8 megapixel rear facing camera. So let's set this aside and check out what else is in the box. We have the SIM ejector tool here. And straight up here we have film screen protector. We have a quick start guide, as you can see here. You have a pair of earphones, and the remaining stuff in the box, it's a micro USB charging cable, and you've also got your travel charging adapter. So it's not a fast charger or anything. That's all you get in the box. Let's take a look at the Huawei Wi-Fi Lite itself. So one of the things you'd notice about the Wi-Fi Lite is that it's a bit different from the other design languages from Huawei. So checking out the Y7 here, you can see Huawei's design language here. And if you place this in comparison with the Y9, they all follow the same design language, but this one is a bit different. I mean, like, it doesn't actually follow Huawei's new design language, which is understandable. It's an entry-level device and they do not intend to push this so far. Alright, so here's the device itself. Let's check out some of the physical features that we can find on the phone. So up the right here you have the power button and also the volume rockers. To the bottom you have that micro USB port, and you have a microphone hole. On the top you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and to the left you have your SIM tray slot. It comprises of a tray for dual nano SIMs and also a micro SD card slot, as you can see there, which is pretty nice. Up front we have a speaker here, and you have your front facing camera also here. I'll leave the spec for the front facing camera on the screen right now. And up front here we have the 5.45 HD plus display. It's a 720p IPS display, so that's what it is. Behind here we have that 8 megapixel rear facing camera with a flash. That's all for the physical features on this device. Let's power this bad boy on and see what we have in terms of software and performance. Alright guys, we'll be talking about software on the Huawei Wi-Fi Lite. Good thing here is that this device comes with Android Oreo. I don't know if it's going to be updated to Android Pie anytime soon, but what Huawei has done here is they've left that Huawei look on the launcher. So if you're looking at the launcher here, you can see it's pure EMUI, the same thing you know from EMUI. You have an app drawer with all your app in this location. But when you go into the notification shade and also the settings page, you can see that this is pure Android. They haven't changed anything here. It remains the same as what you know from the Google OSs. One thing you ought to know is that Huawei has loaded this device with mostly Android Go apps. They're simply apps that are lighter versions of the original version, so you don't have to use too much system resource to run them, being that this is a very low-end device. It just has 1 gigabyte of RAM. So those Android Go softwares or Android Go apps would run basically the same as your original software, but uses much less resources, and they're a little bit slow, as you can see from your screen here. But that's not to say that they don't run well at all. They run pretty fine. And for the YouTube Go app here, as you can see, it takes a little bit time in loading, and if you like to watch a video, all you just have to do is click here and the video loads up, you have options to either just download it straight to your phone or watch it by streaming the video. So that's basically what YouTube Go is over here. It's simple. It's a simple, very light version of YouTube for low-end devices such as this one. Taking a look at Twitter. Twitter also has its Twitter Lite application, which I downloaded here because I didn't want to bog this phone down. We only have 1 gig of RAM, so I downloaded the Lite versions of Twitter and the Lite versions of Facebook. And most apps these days are coming up with the Lite version. You can see there, this is the Lite version of Facebook. This is the Lite version of Skype. There's also a Lite version of LinkedIn that you can download and use on this device. Concerning gaming on this device, if you would like to play games on this device, you must limit them to 2D games. If you try to play any 3D game on this device, I'm sorry, but you will be bogged down by the inefficiencies in the performance of this device. Thanks for watching this one, guys. That was a quick unboxing and a quick review of the Huawei Wi-Fi Lite, a very entry-level device from Huawei, which was launched earlier this year. Huawei didn't make a lot of noise when they launched this because of, the entry-level status of this device. Again, guys, I'll be giving this device away to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is hit the link in the video description and follow the instructions that you will see in there. I'll be announcing the winner to this giveaway in the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and on Facebook at Henry Neil to know who the winner of this device is. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and also if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you do not, well, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.